Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Diner Series 3. Let's see what I get to make today. Alright, so I have a bunch of these. My son did the pinhole test on these. So these should all be new, but we will see. Have a board. Ooh, oh man. I always do that with like the burgers and stuff they give. I rip the paper. Cute. This might be the veggie burger. We have ketchup. Some cheese. Yep, veggie burgers. That's so cute. It has the specks of green and like orange in there. That's hilarious. They do a real good job at adding detail. Avocados and tongs. All right, let's clean up and get to making. So here's what it's gonna look like. And then on the back, they have you layer everything and then cure it. I think, yeah, I'm pretty sure last time I did a burger, I cured it every step of the way. And I'm definitely going to do that this time. I just think it gets in there better. They have two, they put two patties on there, but on here it just shows the one. I'll probably just do one, otherwise it's gonna be too tall, I feel like. So, let's cut this open. Oh yeah, and then also you can make two of them because there are two buns, two patties. So you can either make a double-decker or not. Is this the bottom of the bun? Why does it look like that? I guess that's supposed to be the bottom. Interesting. Okay, so it has the resin first and then the bun, or the burger rather, the patty. So I'm just gonna focus on putting it near the edge because that will kind of move out this way when I place the patty. And I'm doing that because it's kind of pointless to put it in the middle. It will never cure because it's never going to see light and the patty is not see-through. That's just my theory. They're so cute. So you want to smash it a little so the resin comes out to the side. And I'm going to put this outside, but I'm also going to hold it on the side like this and hit it with the UV light to help set it. Okay, we have those set up, and now I'm going to do the cheese. This is a little rubbery. You'll be able to see some color through it, but I'm still going to try, let's see, to put it on the edge. Guess you can do it like that if you wanted. Let's see how that looks. Pretty good. This is gonna look so cute. Then you could always go back with like a toothpick if you want more ketchup showing out the side of it. It just depends. And we will have one piece of extra cheese. So now I'm gonna cure that. Next we're gonna do the avocado. And I think I'm going to do like a strip of 3. I'm gonna stick them down first. Then I will put the final layer of resin on top and add the bun. So let's get my avocado and try to place them on there. think 3 fits on there pretty well. Gently press them down. So cute. And of course you could do like half the burger set like that and then leave the top half open. If your kids, like mine, they like doing, pretending like they're making it or serving it. So that way you can like swap out toppings, if that makes sense. If you did like half of it and then left the bun off, or maybe the bun and some cheese, that would be fun for them. All right, cure it and then be back for the next step. Layer of the ketchup, I'm just gonna go around in a circle so that when you smash it down, you can see it out the side. And same thing with this one. And like I said, you can go back and add ketchup dripping down if you want more of that. So I will come back and show you the final burger. These are so cute. I did cure them outside and then I propped them up on the side like that and kind of rotated them and let them cure like that as well. You can see the ketchup coming out the side. Super cute. And you can like squeeze it and see if any of the wet resin, if it's not cured, it'll come out the side and you can see it better. I think pretty easy build. It does take some time because I think layering it is the best. There's nothing worse than thinking you're done with something and then finding out it's not cured in the middle. That's the worst. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would probably give these like 7 maybe. I think they're cute, fairly easy. I'll be doing the rest of the diner series. I think I have most of them. I might be missing one, using the pinhole test to find the ones I needed. So far, working pretty good. Make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. Bye guys.